In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in WooCommerce. Whether you're refreshing your site's look or just updating your brand visuals, changing your logo is a straightforward process that can make a big impact. Let's break this down step by step so that by the end of this guide, you'll have a brand new logo in place, ready to impress your visitors. First things first, you'll need to head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center, where you can make all kinds of changes to your site, including updating your logo. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu bar and find the option labeled Appearance. It's usually located near the bottom half of the menu. Hover over Appearance, and you'll see a few more options pop up. One of these will be Customize. Go ahead and click on that to enter the WordPress customizer. This is where all the magic happens as you personalize your site to suit your brand. Once you're in the customizer, you'll see various panels that you can choose from. For our purpose today, we're interested in the Site Identity panel. Selecting this will open up a new set of options where you can make changes related to your site's identity, like site title, tagline, and, most importantly, your logo. Here comes the exciting part. Look for the option that says Select Logo. If you already have a logo and are looking to update it, this option may say Change Logo. Either way, click on it. You'll be prompted to choose a file from your media library. If your new logo is already uploaded, you can select it from there. If not, no worries at all. You can upload it by clicking on the Upload Files tab and then selecting your logo from your computer. Make sure your logo file is either a PNG or JPG for compatibility. These formats offer good quality, with PNG being ideal for logos with a transparent background. After you've selected or uploaded your logo, you might be prompted to crop the image. If you think it's necessary to crop your logo to fit specific dimensions, go ahead and do that. If your logo is already just the way you want it, feel free to skip this cropping step. Once you're satisfied with your logo selection, the final step is to click the Save and Publish button. This will apply your changes to the site immediately, so be sure to double-check that everything looks right. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your WooCommerce site with your new logo. This small change can help keep your site looking fresh and aligned with your brand vision. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy customizing!